Hello everyone, thank you for being here. Let's do some makeup. This is Brooke, she's my cousin. She's a junior in college, I believe, and she collects bugs for work, which I just think is awesome. Isn't she beautiful? She's so beautiful. So today we are doing contrast makeup. I've been learning a lot about contrast theory with makeup and I think it's really cool. So I wanted to share a low contrast look because I thought my cousin Brooke would be perfect for this. She's a pretty classic low contrast. So that means that the contrast between her features is very low. She has fair skin, she has light eyes, and she has light hair. Starting with the Jane Iredale Smooth Affair Primer, and then I moved on to the Shackley BB Cream in number 2. And I love this BB cream. It's so nice for just a really second skin look to your base makeup, and it just makes your skin glow. Look at how she's just radiating on the screen. Now I'm using a damp beauty blender just to pat that BB cream into her skin. This is going to remove any brush strokes and make it look like skin. Now I'm just doing a touch of concealer around her under eyes. I also like to use my concealer to prep the eyes for eyeshadow. When I'm working on someone else, I like to use a flat synthetic concealer brush just to apply the concealer and then move on to a fluffier concealer brush like this one from BK Beauty. If you're just doing makeup on yourself, you can just use the applicator from the concealer to apply it on your skin. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter just to add some extra glow to Brooke's skin. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury dupe and I just apply it to her cheekbones and the bridge of her nose and blend that in with the Beauty Blender. Now I'm just setting the creams on her eyes before moving on to powder eyeshadow. Because Brooke is low contrast, I'm doing something that focuses on neutrals that looks really soft and smoky. I'm not doing anything really dark or harsh, no intense eyeliner, no dark smoky eyes. And what this is going to do is this is just going to create balance across her face. I started with a Natasha Denona palette, just applying a taupe all over her lid and then using a bone shade just to highlight her brow bone. Now I'm using the darker brown in the Natasha Denona palette just to enhance her lash line and smoke it out a little bit. Now I'm just using a nice neutral brown from Jane Iredale. This is giving a little bit of contouring to her eyelid, and also I'm blending that brown into the darker brown to buff out that darker brown a little bit and soften it. The key to flawless eyeshadow really is blending. So take your time here, just blend all of those shades together. You can go in with multiple brushes. So you'll see me rotating between a pencil brush just for a little more precision and a fluffy brush just to blend everything together. I did want to give this look a little bit of glam, so we're adding some shimmer to her eyelid. Everything else up to this point was all matte shadows, and this is just going to make her eyes pop a little bit more. And I'm doing just a little bit of shimmer to her inner corners as well. This is going to help open up her eyes and make her eyes look bigger and brighter. And now I'm taking this really beautiful gunmetal shade and I'm applying this directly over top of the brown that I used right at her lash line. I love the effect that this gave. So to keep the balance with her face, I am just doing a little bit of clear brow gel just to set her eyebrows. She has really full, amazing eyebrows, so she didn't need anything else. I'm using the Pomifera bronzing stick. I love this bronzer. It's so creamy, so easy to work with. And I'm just applying this to Brooke's cheekbones, a little on the bridge of her nose, and also around her hairline. And this is just going to give her a nice healthy glow to her face. Didn't want to do any heavy contouring. I wanted to just enhance Brooke's youthful glow that she naturally has. So I'm just doing a pop of pink on the apples of her cheeks and using my beauty blender just to pat that into the skin so it looks, again, very natural, very skin-like. After curling her eyelashes, I'm moving on to mascara. If you've been to my channel before, hopefully you have, you know that I only use the Shackley Youth Lash Revitalizing and Conditioning Mascara because nothing else compares to this one. To complete this low contrast look, I'm doing a nude lip on Brooke. I'm using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF. I love these lip liners. They're so creamy and they're so easy to work with. And now I'm going in with Honey Talks, which is one of the e.l.f. lip oils. I love using a lip oil because they're usually not as sticky as a lip gloss and they still give you beautiful shine. So now I'm just setting the center of her face with some of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. She's still going to have a really beautiful glow to her skin, but it's going to reduce a little bit of that shine from the BB cream. And that is it. This is the low contrast look that I did on Brooke. She loved it so much. I was so happy that she was so happy. It was really fun getting to do her makeup again. It's been a really long time. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I would love to hear from you, hear if you've tried contrast makeup and if you felt like it helped you do your makeup in a more flattering way. Please don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video, and I will see you next time.